when you come in here on avocadoai.co, you're going to see the open app. So if you already have an app, you just need to open it. If you don't, just create an account and it's going to be very straightforward. So one interesting thing is that you can create your own custom model. So first, let's say, for example, Ijir, let's try to select photos and then select photo of my friend, and I'm going to upload it. What it's going to do is just pretty much upload all of these photos. Like, you make sure you upload at least 10 photos. But the more photos you upload and the more angles and visuals, like, better for the AI to understand what is important for you. And when you click in training the custom model, it's going to initiate, and you're going to see this fine-tuning in process. So it's going to take roughly around 2 minutes to 5 minutes. In other apps that do this similar service, they generally takes between 1 hour to 2 hours even. And I've tested those services. That's why I decided to do something that can also help people to move faster. And there you go. It just took a few minutes, and then you can come here to the dream booth, and the dream booth is where the magic happens. You can select which model. I have quite a bit of models here right now. Remember to use the trigger word. So when you add a name, that name is what you're going to reference to create your custom model. And then you're going to see this little part here. Please don't delete that. It's really important so that you can create your custom model. That's the main trigger word. So let's see what prompt we're going to write. Let's say portrait photo shoot for luxury brand. And then you run it and start generating. So it's going to apply all of your unique features. It's going to take a little bit, like a few seconds, and there you go. And then you have like a cool portrait photo shoot of Idir. And I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing his name correctly. God damn it. Run. Let's see what it's going to generate. Your boy is in. And notice that the images reference that he gave me were very diversified. So you get like even the intrinsic details of his hair, right here, his beard. Every little detail of him is very visible. Where he's wearing a black tuxedo. Yeah, I think that's good for now. Just let's test it out. And there you go. Your boy is in Paris in the very beautiful background. And let's run it again. Remember, the results can vary with the amount of times you run it. But the prompt is probably the best way. The more creative you are with the prompt, the more descriptive you are with the prompt, the better the results.